Hello, welcome again. Welcome to this new tutorial. Today's I will tell you how to convert your normal image to convert a high contrast image like DSLR or iPhone. To watch this video until the end, and don't forget my channel to like, comment, and subscribe my channel. So first of all, you need to open Chrome browser. Click here Chrome browser. Then you search Krea AI this one Krea AI. Then you will see this interface. So you need to sign up this site. Click sign in option and click continue in Google option, and then you select your Gmail. Then now you scroll down and select upscale and enhance this option. Now drag and drop on here. In this option you can click and select your image. Which image do you want to enhance and high quality image? I select this one photo. So now you need to wait some time. After some time you click enhance option. Now you can see the photo now enhancing. Wait some time. You see this photo now complete enhancing. Just see this photo looks like. Now you compare first of all my image how it looks like, and after enhancing my photo looks like. It's really unbelievable actually. And now I can select download option. So this is really easy to download your image. So yeah, this is end of the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching.